Welcome, Aquaba. We're back. I'm just going to show you a view, a portion of Villa Sankofa. Now I must say that the roads are unpaved coming in, but it's not bad. We don't have a lot of potholes. And Madame Marvel has a lot of signs on the villa to direct you here. So let's move along. Let's move along. Walk along with me as I show you. Approaching the entrance to Sankofa Villa.
And the gate has this adinkra symbol, which is called jinyame, which means only God knows.
Wow. We have them on both sides, guys. And we enter. We have entered. Is that where the bar is upstairs?
Bar is up here. The villa is to the left. The
Coconut tree.
full and fruitful.
The bar is upstairs here?
Yes.
Let's see if we can quickly go to bar.
So there are 2 rooms here. Bedrooms. You want to see that first?
Two bedrooms, guys. Okay. Right. There is another bedroom. Bar along here. We're just going around. From here, you see, overlooking the villa. Beautiful. Events and entertainment takes place right here. So from the bar, we are now heading. This is a pool, and it will be filled with water. So I'm going to take you through, guys, just to see. So we enter through here. And we go upstairs. And how many rooms we have as we're heading up?
Upstairs, there's 3 executive rooms.
3 executive rooms. So I'm just going to show you guys one of the rooms. Left? All right. Nicely decorated. Yeah? Straight ahead?
Yes.
Lights. So this is a view of the executive room. Very spacious indeed. To the left, dressing room, and they have the bathroom. Again, very big. Yes. Here we go. Guys, oops. I will say, I'm sure you'll agree, lovely. A view of a portion Villa Sankofa. I hope you enjoyed. Please share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Merasi. God bless.